So good morning and Jai dear students. So today we are going to revise chapter number 2, that is natural resources. In that, land, soil and water. So, I will ask questions, you will come here and you will give your answer. What now? I don't want a single voice. So, what area of earth is covered by land? Come. Take your name and give the answer.
My name is Utkarsh Pandey. The area covered by land on earth is 29%.
So, land covers about 29% of total surface area of earth. Now the next question is, we have different types of land use, and land can be divided or classified under two. You have to give the name of under which it can be classified. Land. How land can be classified? Yes.
My name is Love, and the answer will be community and personal activity.
Okay. So land can be divided or classified into two: community land, ownership land and private ownership land. Now I will call one by one. No need to raise your hand. I will ask questions, you will come and you will give the answer. If I am saying community ownership land, what I mean? That girl, last, come. You understand the question? If I am asking community ownership land, then what it means?
Sir, it is clear by the very word that is community. That means it is clear by the very word that means community, which equals to the land is of some government use or belongs to a group of people, not to a particular person.
So land which can be used by many of the people. It can be used by any community, governments. That is community land. Okay. Now the next question is, if we talk about soil profile, then soil is divided into 4 different horizons. You have to take the name of those horizons. And for that I will call last boy this side. Come. Come fast.
Top, sir.
Only. Who can tell the name of all the 4 horizons? Wait, beta, wait. I will call one by one. Go. Go means stand here and listen first.
Sir, the first layer is topsoil, the second layer is subsoil, the third layer is rock fragments, and the fourth layer is parent rock.
So soil is divided into 4 different horizons. Horizon A, which is Horizon B, horizon C, fragment rocks, and horizon D. Go and say. Now the next question is about soil. Which soil is mainly spread in India? This main parts of India that is covered with that soil. Come.
My name is Arpit Singh and the soil mainly spread in India is alluvial soil.
One more time.
My name is Arpit Singh and the soil spread in India mainly is alluvial soil.
Alluvial soil. Okay, very good. So alluvial soil is mainly and mostly spread in India. It is very fertile soil. Now the next question is, why black soil is also known as black lava soil? Why black soil is also known as black lava soil? Come.
It is also called as black lava soil because it is caused by the weathering of volcanic rocks.
One more time.
Because it is caused by the weathering of volcanic rocks.
Okay. Look, there is a variety of soil that is known as red soil. So why this red soil's color is red? You have given one answer? Just wait. Two answers given. Okay, wait. What about others? Come here. Why the color of red soil is red?
My name is Ansuman Singh because red soil contain iron.
High iron. Okay.
Yep.
Red soil's color is red because it contains mainly iron and different, you can say, mixtures of iron. Next question. What is soil erosion? What is soil erosion? Very easy question is this. Come. Wait.
The removal of topsoil is
Come closer. Loudly.
the removal of topsoil is called soil erosion. It makes the soil a little less fertile.
Okay. Very good. So, removal of top layer of soil, that is known as soil erosion. And what are the agents by which soil eroded? Wait, come. Agents of soil erosion.
My name is Abdul Kamran and the agents of
Loudly.
soil erosion are air
Loudly.
and water.
Loudly.
The agents of soil erosion are air and water.
Okay. There are many agents of soil erosion, but mainly it is running water, it is speed with the speed of air, and many more. Next question is, what is afforestation? There is one thing is deforestation. What is afforestation? Come. Come fast. Don't waste the time.
Planting down of trees.
Loudly.
Planting down of
Planting.
trees.
Okay. Go. Nothing. So planting more and more trees. That is afforestation. And what is deforestation? Cutting off trees on large scale. Okay. Next question is, So now this is water section we are in. So if I will ask about water, then first of all, what area of earth is covered by water? Come.
71%.
Huh?
71%.
Speak loudly.
71%.
Okay. So 71% of land area is covered by water. And where water is found on earth means come here. Come here and then give the answer. Come. Wait. Let us stop writing what I said.
Hydrosphere.
Stop writing. I'll give it to you back. Not writing.
Hydrosphere.
Loudly.
Hydrosphere.
My question was where water is found. What you are saying that watery part of earth is known as hydrosphere. That is different. Where you can find water.
In ocean. In ocean.
He is giving the answer.
In ocean.
Okay. Only.
In river also.
Oceans, rivers, ponds,
Lakes.
lakes. Chalo, ठीक है. So water is found at many places in different forms. My next question is, what percentage of water which is available on earth that is found in oceans? What percentage of water? Mainly oceans and seas. Come. Seas come.
My name is Niti Singh, 97%. 97%.
So basically little bit more than 97% water is. That's why little bit more than 97%. That is found in oceans. Now the next question is, what are the different mediums of irrigation? What are the different mediums of irrigation in India? Who will come? Different mediums of irrigation. By which we do? Yes, come.
The drip irrigation, tube well, and river and tube well.
Okay. So by different mediums, it can be by river, by canals, by well, by ponds. Now the last question, and many will come here and many will give the answer here. How water can be conserved? So just think your point and come one by one. How water can be conserved, and everyone will come, whatever time I will be having. So first of all, who have not come still, first they will come. Start from that last girl. Come. How water can be conserved? Your point. Come fast. There are many ways where water can be conserved. Give your point.
Yes, when we are bathing fish, when we are brushing our teeth, we keep the tap on. Still, we can keep the tap off.
Okay.
So this is the best way to conserve water.
Okay. So one way what she is giving, that we should be very careful while we are using water for domestic needs. Other one. Come. One by one I am calling. After him you will come.
Rainwater harvesting.
Okay. What is rainwater harvesting? Don't know? You should know. Then how you are saying? Okay, go. Come.
Water is waste in industries. When the water is used in industry, it should be clean after going to our body.
Okay. She is talking about water pollution, like industries waste which mix with water and it makes it polluted. It should be treated before that. Okay, come.
Myself, Akashi Gupta, we should more plant trees as they absorb water.
One more time.
Sir, we should plant more trees, more and more trees as they absorb water from the soil.
So planting more and more trees, that is also one way to save water and to conserve water. Yes, come. And you also come. One by one. Chalo, come. So what? Raise your hand and come. Wait. Yes.
Sir, sprinklers can be used.
Now, rest of you keep silent. Yes, loud.
Sprinklers can be used to irrigate fields as when we use sprinklers can be used to irrigate fields as when we use pipe, so more water is wasted.
Okay. So, during irrigation, sprinklers can be used. What happened? It was your point.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, who is coming? Come.
By using drip system, we can conserve more water than the sprinkler system because it directly gives water to the roots of the plant.
Okay. Very good. Now, who is coming? You cannot even give one sentence how you can conserve water. Chalo, I am calling one by one because I have time. So, whatever you know, how you can save water, how you can conserve water. Come. Whatever you know. Simple things also you can see about how water can be saved.
Use less than water in your daily life.
Okay. This boy is saying that use less water, but I think the proper sentence should be use water carefully. Understand? Use water carefully. Using less water doesn't mean drink less water. It's not. But use water carefully. Okay? Write this. Now come. Ready? Come closer.
My name is Sanjini Giri, and answer is if we use factories water in agriculture.
What you said? One more time.
Sir, if we use factories water in agriculture after used by factories.
Okay. What she is trying to say that if factory water will be treated properly before it's discharged, then maybe it can be used for irrigation. Okay, come. Anything, whatever you know, how you will save water. You just tell me. Loudly.
We should not left the tap open.
Again.
Sir, we should not left the tap open.
Okay. This is very good answer. We should not make our tap open.
Yes, sir.
Even you are bathing. Okay. What she means to say that if there is no one, please check it that tap should be not open. Okay, now. Come out.
Online.
Better come out.
Come.
Yes, yes, they give the answer. Chalo, give the answer. How you will save water?
We can use that.
Huh? Go. Okay. Okay, so even if you cannot give the answer, how you can save water? There are few students who are saying, sir, I will not bath, I will not drink. Like this, I will save water. Yes, like this. What? Listen, like this, water can be saved. But what about you? So thank you and have a nice day.